Good morning on this wonderful day with a lot of sun and it's nearly no wind, so it's pretty amazing, isn't it? Let's continue with framing of the van. This is now pretty solid. I could even add some more screws, but I'm not quite sure. Yes, some are a little bit sticking out, but I don't think it will be a big issue. It's the garage and the panels, they are a little bit soft, and if you tighten to it, I think it will not stand out of the framing. So here I need to be sure where to drill the holes, that I'm not drilling through the wall. I hope everything is set and I marked it right. I'm not 100% sure. This is the current state of the van build. Took me about 6 hours for the framing and the first panels. Was a bit fixing. So now I have to think about how I will make this here on both sides. It should be prepared for the bed, so you get more space, and then I can measure how many centimeters and meters I got. Place my mattress. So I'm thinking about using OSB and use a thin panel maybe on top. I'm not quite sure, but I think I will end up doing it. This is not sticking. Yeah, it's not completely straight, but this is just the shape of the car, and especially when I use some insulation, and I would like to cover everything what I can do. So stay tuned to see more. I used to jump forward and backward with different operations in the van. The reason to that is that I have to do certain things ready to get on with some other things. So now we're going to place the last panel for now. We need to box it in later, so I will see how I will do it. But this will be a different day and different problem to solve.